Yeah, peeps, welcome back to our next. Yeah, peeps, welcome back to our next video. I don't know your boy Buhn, and today me I gonna actually do a reaction video for one of them comedy, two of the comedy skits what we do from back then. So one is Country Come to Town, and the other one is Stay Tuned. All right, so me I gonna start off with Country Come to Town. So Country Come to Town is one of the first videos when we do. When we come town. So that give me the idea of doing that one. You see me? So me I did the star in that one day. So me quick kick it off that way.
This is where comedy comes to life on
You know, say auntie send up my cousin from country. Oh, Buhn, yeah, Buhn.
Yeah.
I have about Wellington. I was supposed to reach by now. You know, yo, I'm soon forward, isn't it?
Say, I you know.
Yeah, I pick up at the bus.
Tell me man start grow here yet, you know. All Nick, ball at them. I feel like I go too extra with this. I feel like I go too extra with this. But watch, me have a bag of baggage.
Give it back.
Oh, dear. No use to it, my youth. A country me come from, you know. Oh, me tell you, say, a country me come from, you know. Country me come from. Because
You know, say some of the time I feel like this not true. I tell you about like me I say, I can't cross road. I'm damn well on cross road, you know, because I know country people can cross road, but them rather they busy back then. Because when I come at town for real, road they really busy. People they have to say, you have to watch where you cross the road, you know, and people always want you to say, oh, mine know you cross the road for true.
down. You find me, no man?
Come. Let her come.
I need that. That's one of my favorite line in this, you know.
Oh, Jesus Christ. A country boy, man. Yeah.
Can you see me push my
I
yard?
know what place. Yeah,
push my
come. Take up, come. You can't do that, come.
Oh, cousin. Watch out. Watch out, me have you dance, you know? Watch out. You know that one? Yo.
As we start watching, we can't stop laugh because this is literally funny. I see it.
I'm going to get one dance, you know? You know when you... Watch out, me show you. I'm going to show you. Watch it. Broke back. The cutlass. Broke back. The cutlass. You know that one there? Last.
People, the dancer, humiliating. When me watch it back, I swear, like me I feel laugh. Me can't keep a steady face when I watch this. I swear. Remember me tell you. Listen with the dancing name.
Back with the cutlass. You don't know that one there?
Yeah, that's how
You don't know. Which one of them?
Come. Yeah.
Bro, back with the cutlass. I swear.
Ash wash. Oh, a washing machine. No,
Asheem.
Asheem, that?
Yeah, Asheem.
Oh, wow, go on.
Yo, how are you?
Jnel, cousin, man. Jnel. Yeah, move, Jnel.
Yo. How that boy? I'm cousin, man. You don't know I'm cousin from country, man.
I know him. Come on, man. Not yellings, man.
Yo, I feel like they used to abuse me too much in that video, you know. The youth, you know, I swear. Look at that push me star. Boy, Asheem.
Do them thing, brother. Come, man. Come. Never you come at town and hug a man. You understand?
Remember me?
Tap it nice.
Remember.
Tap it. Wallace. One, drink some water, cool down and easy, yeah?
Where you go?
I go down the road, man. Move forward. One in and cool down. Now, Nick.
This is so iconic because boy Jnel always teach me the ropes at town, you know. I'm always warn me and I say you can't do certain things, you know. You go in a certain people place, you can't. You can't look upon certain people and everything there. I swear. And it just come out right in that video. As me say, I give you idea, isn't me? So.
I bet things go out, man, I go dog. Isn't it? Man, I move too hot, dog, I'm saying go cool off.
Oh, so yeah, do I make a touch in here?
Nice. Come here, man. Fuck, I bring him.
Yeah, carry him.
Yeah.
What I tell me, sir? You know the years?
So, when you not same clothes, you not put on thing they make my youth? You're put
They come out to a party, I swear, this part I kill me every time. The party I kill me every time. I remember me tell you, if you really want to watch the video, you need to go back, right down in the skits them, where we are do them bad video, yeah. When you see me, them video used to bad. You need to go back and watch some of them video, I swear.
Yeah, we are go up in the days. Yeah, we just need that.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, do that, man. Put on some clothes and power,
As you can see, Nika dead. And when we shoot the video, really the first time he must see me since me dress up, cause he never see when me dress up and go in a yard. So when him come out of the shop, when he dinner with Jnel and come back, him did really a laugh, cause at first he must see me, so he never see how me dress and them thing there. When him see how me dress now, at them time them really laugh. So him laugh did real. You see me? I did him a dead.
I'm ready.
That's right.
Lord, that's great star. And what is me there now? And what the hell this me there now? No man. And then the thing is, if you don't notice, you know, full props them never normal, you know. Full props them not normal. When you look for full props them, we make sure say everything we are do put together. You see me? So we come out with the fork, we come back with the cutlass, short pants, well cut off. I did like me is a natural when it come on and start in, you know, because me act from primary school, BSc school me act from, you know. So it come on to acting, me have this luck. And as me I tell you, this is one of the first videos when I appear now, I feel like I sell it off. I see people really love that video, and people know me for that video. No need to go back go watch the video them. Hear the part, you know, hear the part.
Oh.
Yo, go back a country, go back a country, go back a country, go back.
No,
Yeah, go back, go back.
I may never go back. So guys, that's the first one. That's the first one. So now I'm gonna go to the one I really like, but I don't know. I'm not gonna see it anyways. I'm not gonna see it. So this one now is Mr. Backshot.
hello?
Yes, good afternoon. Calling from JPS. This is Mr. Brown. Who am I speaking with?
My name Backshot.
When the blows are scared, the man really do back then one. And the boy Jnel, you know. And the boy Jnel, we blame him. I know, but I don't like the video. No time, I don't like the video. I swear. Every time I see the video, I feel bad in myself. Like me I say, I don't know to do this, you know. And I end up do it. I swear. I try to click off of the video, I find it back. I find it back, peeps. Alright, so I reach. I play back the party. Because enough people good in a year and so I play back the party.
Hello?
Yes, good afternoon. Calling from JPS. This is Mr. Brown. Who am I speaking with?
My name Backshot.
Okay, Mr. Backshot.
You want me to get the name this, sir?
Okay, fine. Go ahead.
My girl, man, are they cool? I take up an iPhone, let me know.
No. Oh, Mr. Backshot, no, I don't need to hear that. No, I don't need to hear that.
You know, I hear. Alright.
Me no know why me sound so. Me no know why me dress so. You see me? But I see it. As me telling you before, when it come on to a video, props are never a problem. Everything just come in place, I swear.
Owe us a lot of money.
Pay a light bill. Me not pay a light bill, sir. My father and my mother teach me how to bridge light. Me bridge light like bridges just stand.
You mean Bridget Foster?
You have steer there.
Listen, you need to pay your bill.
Eh? You turn off my light for sir? You know what me I do? You know what me I do?
Yes, what you doing?
I think me no want to know me did that.
You hang up on me. What kind of slackness this?
Jesus Christ.
Oh, that you tell see that you tell. They always are giving them party for your kid. Because they know some good part them party, and I swear.
She look up at them. This is favorite Indian. Oh, an Indian show.
I have to call back this. He daddy. It's big. Oh, Jesus Christ.
You see that for sure.
Hello?
Yes, Backshot. It's me again.
Are you again? What you bother me for? Oh, wait. You have something to tell you.
Yeah, you can tell a story.
You see, once upon a time, little while. Yeah, little while me I do. We say me did that first one. He nearly tear up my root.
No, Jnel. I'm telling you, this is one I'm most insulted with them. Me never like watch it back or nothing, So when me watch back this, you know how I watch a video? When me watch back this and all, I remember when I say, everything I just feel away, but you just watch it for yourself.
Backshot, you don't need to tell me this. If you continue like this, I'm going to I'm gonna cough. I bet you don't watch no more TV.
Me not paying a light bill, you know.
You like that? Eh?
You like have me TV.
Yes, me like have a TV, yes. So go and pay the bill now.
Alright, me I go pay it.
Jesus Christ. Yes, Backshot.
Yeah. Me I go pay. Me I pay now. How much me fi pay?
Well, you're supposed to pay $1 million.
$1 million.
But I don't know if you can manage.
My mother then rich.
Your mother them rich? Okay, man, Backshot, you know what I want to hear that, man.
Alright, send me information them. Send me in a
My
WhatsApp.
mother them rich. How much mother me have, so? My mother them rich.
Okay, Backshot.
I want that me like. I want to watch me TV, man. Oh, send message.
It's not even
Yeah, you just send it to me, you know. Oh, you want it number? Oh,
Yes, Backshot. 359.
Remember this party, I saw so far out of all the way out the shop we got to blouse and skirt. I'm telling you, when it comes on to doing video, we go the extra mile. And you see how far I reach all the way out of the shop. And me go out of the shop. You see how serious with me? We go out of the shop with the stocking on my head. The tear of stocking on my head. Same way. You can't believe that?
6 years.
Hold on. Backshot?
Hello?
Yeah, Backshot.
Yeah.
359, right?
Yeah.
68.
6 years.
Backshot. Oh, go on.
How are you? Yeah.
This is a camera right now. This is a camera.
Oh, yo, walk on.
And you were just sending me a
I'm here $7 million.
Yes.
I mean,
You just get the number.
I'm me, man. You man, I'm me, man.
And you just tell me,
Yeah, go, man.
you're bad.
Yeah, go.
We have the weirdest reaction them, I swear. Me have the weirdest reaction them. Look up the face.
Yeah, man.
Welcome the president to the White House. Quantinium, yeah. Top down. Say general, I'm on a top down. You top down. Them girls scream for the top man action.
You know, say so my time we have for one or two blows and skirt. When we go back to them, these there, when we are act, man, now this is a couple of the first video them when we actually do. And I feel like I do really good. And it did funny, you see me? And the amount of reaction we getting at the comments, it did crazy. And people still out there call me backshot. Stop it. I'm not fond. I'm not fond of it. You see me? Stop calling me backshot. We don't like it. You see me? A joke. It's good. You see me? Because this is one of the good video them. You see me? So basically, as you can see the video them back then bad. You need to go back, go watch them. And guys, please like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. You see me? Subscribe and click the like button. Click the like button. The video can be a billion views and you know, and the like there 100 views. It not look good. You see me? So just please click the like button and then you don't know what to do. Just leave a comment as well. You get me? I say leave a comment even now. Tell me what you like for see and them look at thing there. You see me? Follow me on Instagram. That's Buhn_reaction. And what? I'm out. This plastic video, them easy, I swear.